The fruity tartness of balsamic vinegar of Modena and sweet creaminess of vanilla ice cream are a match made in heaven. This maple balsamic and candied walnut ice cream recipe takes this classic combination to a new level. Bring the balsamic vinegar of Modena and maple syrup to a boil in a deep saucepan. Continue to boil until it reaches 230 degrees Fahrenheit on a digital thermometer. Set aside and allow the mixture to cool to room temperature. Once cool, it should be the consistency of honey. Store in the refrigerator until you're ready to use it. In a large bowl, soften the vanilla ice cream with a spatula just until it's flexible but still frozen. Drizzle in the balsamic vinegar maple syrup and stir in candied walnuts. Serve the ice cream immediately with more drizzle or refreeze it to enjoy later. This ice cream is especially delicious served on top of an apple galette.